Hello again, folks. If there's one particular technique that every self-respecting violinist wants to have at their disposal, it is, of course, a good vibrato. Vibrato is effectively a way of colouring the sound. We can play just plain notes and make a perfectly pleasant sound using the bow and a pure intonation. But sometimes in music we want to give the music an extra colour, an extra seasoning if you like, and this is where vibrato comes in. Effectively it's just a rapid oscillation between a slightly sharp note and a slightly flat note. And what this serves to do is it gives the music a different colour and a little different flavouring that can be used to emphasise certain passages. If we use it all the time, then of course there's nothing special about it. And if we don't use it at all, the music can sound a little bland. So the answer is to use it not necessarily sparingly, but very considered use of vibrato. So not all the time, and only when you're really trying to emphasise a particular phrase. Now, I wouldn't try and explain all the elements of technique of how to execute a good vibrato in a short video like this. It wouldn't be possible. Suffice to say, there are a few really important rules that you should remember when trying to develop your own vibrato. Number one is the shape. I'm always telling my students the best way to develop a vibrato is to practice lots of double stops, thirds, sixths and octaves, because that way the hand is forced to maintain a good shape and to keep the hand relaxed at all time, because if we're too tense, if there's too much tension in the sound, it's very difficult to maintain any consistency of vibrato. So we have to have a good shape, a relaxed left hand, and a very considered application of it. So not constantly and not at all. Really think about where you use vibrato.